It's the 27th of January 2022, and welcome to our Storm Daily Debrief, just giving our best ideas on the day. We had yesterday a decent day in our market and European markets, all up quite decently. Commodities sort of paved the way, trading really, really well. Our big counters, Anglos, Billies, all up quite decently. Looking to last night, we obviously had the Federal Reserve, which came out, Jerome Powell with his sort of hawkish slant. I think the way he communicated to markets wasn't really conducive to any moves to the upside. I thought he came across quite weak, and I think that might be the reason why markets sort of sold off in his communication of hiking rates going forward. S&P since our close is down 100 plus points. We've got Nasdaq also down 400 points since our close. FTSE futures showing down 2%. We've got an elevated VIX. The dollar's a lot stronger. The rand's a bit weak at 15.44. And all in all, a bit of a dire picture this morning. Tencent down 3%, and most of Asia down 2 to 3%. I think the general theme in the market at the moment is, for your expensive counters to be sold. I think we see that. We saw that, CFR coming out with great results being sold. Clicks being sold yesterday. So some of the more expensive stocks are being sold, and commodities are obviously being bought. So I think that's sort of the theme that we need to stick to. And the common themes also that coming this week, we've got geopolitical tensions, and we've got the SARB interest rate decision today, which will be a bit later. I think we're looking at 0.5 basis point hike. I think the market's going to become a lot more data dependent, so let's keep an eye on that going forward, which is quite exciting. I think let's look for some ideas this morning. The first one is going to be Harmony. Came with a production update where it was weaker. I think it's going to open below its 200 moving day, so I think there could be a flush here, and this might be one to be looking to get short of. I think the other gold stocks also might trade a bit weaker. And then looking on the buy side, I think Sasol traded incredibly well yesterday. I think this is one that can also have a continuation. There was an upgrade this morning from Standard Bank, so I think this one closed above 325, 326. So we're watching for continuation in Sasol. So I think the weaker rand also could help that. And TGAs is another player where the stock has been consolidating sort of in this area. Looking for a clear break above 92.50. I think if we can get a clear break above 92.50, the stock can trade at $100. So those are ideas this morning. I think we're looking to be at long of TGA, Sasol, and be short of Harmony, specifically in the gold counter. Good luck for today.